And welcome. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of our Fashionsta box for December 2019. So if this sounds like a video for you, make sure to stay tuned. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Rhonda, better known as Hotmess Momma MD, and here we embrace the hot mess. We run pretty much on nothing but caffeine, and it's a judgment-free zone where we like to sit back, relax, chat about makeup, hair care, beauty care, whatever it may be. It's just makeup. It's not that serious, friends. So hopefully you decide to stick around, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on, because your girl pretty much uploads every single day at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time. As well as I do have a second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs. I'd love to have you as part of our family over there. Those videos go up at 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time pretty much every single day. So like I said, I hope you guys decide to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and then let's go ahead and just jump right into our December 2019 Fashionsta box. The box. Wow. Okay, friends, so my Patreons have already seen this unboxing. It is crazy Kentucky weather. I'm filming this on Monday, December 23rd, so it's almost Christmas. Not for sure. You guys may see this video after Christmas. I truly haven't decided yet, but I was excited because this box finally arrived today. The box is by Fashionsta. This is a monthly subscription box. It's $19.99, and you do get about 5 full-size products in here. And you guys know, if you saw my November unboxing, which was in like the first week of December, I got the box really late. You guys told me that they actually made a post about it. They let people know. I must have missed it, but they let people know that one of the products were really late, therefore they couldn't ship out the boxes. I am fairly new to this particular subscription, and I'm still kind of like learning about it. For example, they take the money the first of the month, and I finally received the box around the 23rd. So like I told my Patreons, which by the way, this box is used from our Patreon donations. So thank you to each and every single one of our Patreons for your donations to help us get the box. So if you guys are interested in becoming one of our Patreon family members, make sure to check my description box down below for that. Little forewarning, guys, my house is full of family, therefore I always struggle to film because I'm like, oh my god, they're listening. Yeah, I'm weird. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into this. So like I said, the box is $19.99. Now, I forgot to tell you guys last month that it does come with one of these little cards letting you know that with every box purchase, you're helping 1736 Family Crisis Center by assisting those in need in form of a monthly makeup, beauty, and self-care goodies with the intention to enhance self-confidence and self-image. 1736 is a family crisis center, and it is a non-profit organization based in LA with a mission to help people through crisis, including domestic violence and human trafficking. So I definitely like the fact that this box does help to support those in need. So let's go ahead and a little bit more. You will see there is a card in here. Each card has the product in here, or the product, a little bit about the product. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm getting in my own head, guys. A little bit about each product, as well as what the retail value of the product is. And on this side, sorry, God forbid I put anything on silent. Nope. There is a 20% off coupon code, which is new if you guys are interested in signing up for Fashionsta. If you go to the website, the new will save you 20%. So the first item we did get is by Teamy. This is a Soothe Tea infused oil in lavender and sage. And again, this is a full size. Now, I've not particularly tried out their serums, but I do have like their clay mud mask, and myself and both of my teenagers love it. They use it, and you've even seen Haley and I do like a self-care mud mask with it all the time. But I will say my middle teenagers use it on the regular. It's good stuff. This, like I said, I don't know about, but it does retail for $40. Okay, so the next item is called Rosy Cheeks, and it is a facial scrub. It does have a retail value of $12. This is an exfoliating facial cleanser with rose petals, gently exfoliates and eliminates dead skin cells. So I will tell you guys, it does have the second ingredient as mineral oil on here. So I know for my skin acts up with that kind of stuff, so I can't use it. Next we have our anti-aging mask in here, and this does have, it is a sheet mask and it has a retail value of $7. It says 1520 is all about an effective and reliable skincare and beauty regimen. Seamlessly fits into your routine. So it's a face mask. I mean, it's a sheet mask. I'm so all over the place. Oh my goodness. Okay, $7. So here is something that I was like, are you really worth this? This seems awfully expensive. I have never personally heard of this brand before. They're called Crescent Moon, and it is a little eyeshadow palette, and it is in like a little sleeve. Here you go. There's mica as the first ingredient, and then talc, and it is in like your standard cardboard type of packaging. It does say it is cruelty free and has a 36-month expiration on there. Ingredients are on the back, and then when we open it up, you get 4 good size eyeshadows, and I think they're pretty. It's definitely one of those types of palettes that couldn't be a standalone type of palette, but I don't think it's that big of a deal as far as that goes. You can always pull from other palettes, but what got me was the $45 price tag on here. It says it's a rich duochrome shades, heavily pigmented diamond and shimmer shadows. I think that the shades are really pretty, but like I said, I don't know enough about this brand, but it does claim to have a $45 retail value. I will say I do like the way that Fashionsta did package all of the products in here. Next, we got a CBD infused bath bomb. This little bath bomb, like here is my Milani Compact, here's the bath bomb. This little doodad is supposedly $12. Which now I've already unboxed it and had like some thoughts with my patrons, but now I'm like, ay, that's kind of expensive. Like, you better relax the bejesus right out of me, sis, because $12? I don't know. I get my Epsom salt and I just put 2 cups in my bath water, and that seems to chill me out and make me feel really relaxed. But this is where I like getting products like this in a $19.99 box, because I'm like, $12, $19.99, get other products with it. I do like that, you know? So then the last item that we did get, again, packaged very, very well, is the Glow Getter by Cara Beauty Highlighter Palette with a retail value of $15. And again, this is something that I told my patrons I will be gifting to one of them, because I feel like with my Bad Habit Rosé palette, I have this already. I have these shades. It's very similar also if you have that ColourPop highlighter. There was a highlighter palette that I know ColourPop had come out with a little bit ago. I don't remember, but it seems very, very similar to that. But I know I have these shades in my collection already. So I think it is a pretty palette, and I don't know the formula. I've never heard of the brand again, but again, that's the nice thing about subscriptions, is you get to try out other brands, other companies that maybe you don't know about, haven't heard of, and you wouldn't know about them unless you had tried them out through one of these boxes. So as far as the retail value of everything in this box, like I said, this box is $19.99. It is a monthly subscription. The grand total came to $131. So my overall thoughts, I don't think it is horrible. I'm still kind of getting used to the Fashionsta. I'm kind of getting used to, trying to get used to like taking the money and not getting it until like the end of the month kind of deal. I do like getting to try out brands that I've never heard of before. I don't know. I don't think it's a bad box, but to be 100% with you guys, I can't necessarily say that it woos me. So I think, I don't know. I think I'll give it another month or so, maybe, and we shall see. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are. Like I said, I don't think it's all a bad box. I just don't feel like it's a woo me box, you know? I was kind of a little bit hopeful, but Could be me. I could be just tired from cooking today. Who knows? Anyways, guys, if you received your Fashionsta box, let me know down below. Did you get the exact same things? Did you think it was worth the $19.99? Like, when I put it like that, I'm like, oh, we definitely got our $19.99 worth for sure. I definitely think that. So, anyways, friends, that's going to be all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it enough to give your girl a big thumbs up. If this goes up after Christmas, I hope that you guys had a wonderful Merry Christmas, and I think it's going to go up before the new year, so no Happy New Year yet. Unless you're not going to watch me again, and then I hope you have a Happy New Year. But hopefully you decide to hit that like button, subscribe, stick around, and turn that notification bell on. Don't forget, I'm over on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Love for you to follow me over there. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! It's Monday, and I don't think I have enough caffeine in this body. I am off. This video was off, so I am going to tell you guys that thank you if you sat through this. I appreciate all of you. Every single one of you. Okay, I'm getting off now. Bye.